Morning, folks. It's Friday morning. We're gonna go put hands on scrap. Oh yeah, check this out. Look at that. Yeah, we'll take it. I don't know. That stuff's coming out on top of me. Yeah. Oh, it's in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those. Smoky. I'm gonna leave the bike, folks. I'm gonna leave the bike. Dogs. All right, that's clean enough. Yeah, I could tie the bike up on the top, but that's dark and I have a lot of area to check. And if I find something better, I mean, it's here, I know it's here, but if I find something better that I can fit up there, I'd rather take that. There's some 3 foot. But I'm getting a nice heavy steel load going here. So, there. Yep. Let's see. Come on, you just rest there a second, because I'm gonna put these up in there. I have to load everything in from here. Is it at sink? Let me check something. You know, taking the bike, back with it. Doesn't have to be tight great, just enough to keep it from flying off the back. I'll throw one more knot in there. All right, so both headlights are working, and well, I gotta replace that light, but the turn signals work and the brakes work. That's what matters. All right, let's keep looking. This should be the last stop I need the lights on, but I've got them on for now. There we go. A little something. This just looks weird, but I know it's scrap. Look at that. It's just gonna go with sheet steel. That's, believe it or not, it's about 10, 15 pounds. I don't want to lose. Come on. I know. They add to the weight. Come on. That up under there and bend it. Oh, there we go. Well, that worked out better. Now I'm throwing stuff out in the street. Yeah. I'm leaving that right there because that's going to come out before I go to the scrapyard. Yeah, come on. I want you facing the same way. Because I have to get that. Yeah, let's get that plastic out of the street. Yeah. I want to check something real quick too. Yeah, it's magnetic stainless. So I just want this stuff off of here, and then the rest I can go out to shred. Yeah, I think I see a little metal here. This looks exactly, pretty much like what I just picked up. I have to start making sure my baklava's on straight, so I look like a fool. All right, let's keep looking. Nope, just wood. Oh, it's gonna be a fun one right here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want the tires. First of all, I don't have the room for them, but I could throw this up on top with the bicycle. The fun part's gonna be over the bicycle. There we go. I'm just trying to tie enough knots in this to keep it up there. So if by chance it flops over, it'll hit this maybe, but it won't come off the top. That should hold it. No. Yes. Come on. Oh, there's a bag. There we go. Just need it off the bag. There we go. I'll close that back up. All right. You going first. Go get the cutters and cut that cord off of there. Anything else? Yeah, I know. I'm not taking that, folks. Now, there's no wind today. That's a blessing. But it's still cold. It's probably 25, 30 degrees out. There we go. Yeah, I'm taking to cutting these off. Because that processing video at the garage, that was a pain in the tuchus to stand there and cut all these off. And once again, yes, I do know that's brass. Yeah, I don't want the door. I'll take these two pieces. Okay, come on. That'll work. Yeah, there's little bits of copper on this. Some brass right there. I don't know if this is brass. I don't know. But that's a heavy one too, isn't it? Yeah. Shoot. Is it? Okay. We're gonna flip it over. Oh, man. Shoot. So much for that. I'll flip it right back up. I was gonna pound the little copper motor. I think that's it right there. Shoot. All right, well, doggone it. It's a good one, too. I just, again, I don't have the room for it. Damn it. Man, pardon my French, folks. I just, again, yeah, no, even if I took the seats out, I wouldn't be able to fit that in with what I got. I need a bigger van. 3/4 ton cargo van. I wonder if I can fit this. Man, I'm telling you folks, that just, it's aggravating. There's a whole reason behind all of it. I can't really talk about it. But I'm not gonna bring you down. I'm gonna keep looking. Oh. Yep. I'm really disappointed in having to pass that up. Because normally, when I find those, they're heavily covered in plastic. So, and that one was not. That was a good heavy one. I know. We're just about done. You guys can hang on along without me. Something I can fit. Oh well. Whoops, almost dropped it. So I'm gonna run for another 10-15 minutes. Just this rich neighborhood. And then put an end to the video. So let's keep looking. Yeah, maybe not so tough after all, or lots of floor scrubber. Okay, let's get this open. Come on. That's what I want right there, just you. Hang on right there. Good enough. Okay. The hard way. And you've got the wraparounds on it. Right there. Why would you do that? I mean, I could see you're probably upset. Stupid thing quit working. All right. You are going back in. And you are going back in. And you are going back in. Hopefully, I'm in not too much trouble. Yeah, that'll work. Yep, nope. All right. Some more chords. Or cord. I like it. Come on. All right, folks, that's going to do it for Friday. I hope you had a good time. I did. With the exception of that dishwasher. Thank you for coming along. I truly do appreciate it so much. Thank you to all the new subs. Thank you to all the old subs. You make my day. Tomorrow, we're going to the scrapyard. Get some of this. All right? Until then, everybody have a wonderful, wonderful day.